Hello there, it's been a while since our last UK and Ireland weather update, but we're back again and hoping to establish that regular schedule once again. Well, on October 21st, the highest temperatures were quite above average actually, at 19 degrees, the high at Herstmonceux on the south coast under overcast skies, 18 degrees in many other places across the UK, and low temperatures this morning down to 6 degrees at Capel Curig in the early hours under fog, 8 degrees in quite a few other locations, mainly across England, but also in parts of Scotland as well. Right now we're looking at quite strong winds in some areas at the moment, particularly along the south coast, moving up towards the eastern coastline as we get into the later hours tonight into tomorrow, and a few areas of flood concerns as well, with one flood warning currently in effect. And to commemorate the 40 degrees Celsius temperatures we received on the 19th of July, we still have our commemorative t-shirts in our merch store. Well then, looking ahead to the weather over this weekend then, and you can see here it's still quite unsettled with a lot of rain spreading northwards, but further south it's a clearer night, down to around 9 degrees. Some areas might get down to 7 in Ireland, and you can see there most of those winds will have calmed down by the morning hours, but it'll still be quite breezy across the Irish Sea at least. Moving into Saturday, there's low pressure moving through there. You can see some rotation in Northern Ireland, but around it, generally unsettled pattern across Scotland. With high temperatures probably getting the best of the weather in Aberdeen, around 15 degrees Celsius, and might get some sunshine. The Scottish border's not looking too bad, but a little bit cooler over there, 15 degrees the high in Carlisle. And looking towards Northern Ireland, it'll be a bit of a washout tomorrow and parts of western parts of the Republic of Ireland, but in that gap behind it, it's actually going to be quite sunny and not too bad in temperature. Same too for Northern England and Northern Wales, into the Midlands as well, and down towards the southeast, once again partly cloudy skies and maybe highs of 18, so not a bad day at all, particularly considering this time of year. It'll be wetter down towards the southwest though, with more cloud cover, but still those temperatures climb to around 17 degrees. Of course, in October now, the average we usually expect is around 13 or 14 degrees for a high temperature, so that is quite a bit above average. It'll still be quite gusty in places, particularly along the south coast, southwest, and along the western coast as well. Quite some breezy conditions there too. Another front moves into Sunday morning, and you see massive amounts of rain falling over large parts of southern England, Wales and parts of Ireland. Low temperatures into the teens still though because of that, moving in from the warm Atlantic. Moving into Sunday, the rest of Sunday, that rain continues to parade further northwards into parts of Scotland. You can see there a lot of the southern part of Scotland getting rainfall. It should stay dry further towards the north and the northeast though. High temperatures of around 14, which is not bad going up there, and same too, 14 degrees in Edinburgh underneath heavy rain, and in Ireland the rain will be just about clearing through, but you'll still get quite a few showers. 17 degrees in Dublin, and in England and Wales it's once again going to be sunshine and showers actually, I think. It will get gradually better throughout the day. In central parts of England they'll probably get the best of the weather on Sunday. 18 degrees the high in London, and some heavier showers down there towards the southwest with that system as well. So two bands you could say of really heavy stuff with some more scattered showers in between. It'll bring some windier conditions there as well, extratropical cyclone. You can see down to the southwest there, maybe some more wind advisories will be necessary for Sunday. Moving into Sunday night, that rain gradually gets less organised, but it'll still be present in large parts of the British Isles, but generally it's going to be the south coast that just about gets away with it later on in that night, and in Ireland. And on Monday, looking into it there, not too bad, still looking at scattered showers, but most areas will probably get away with a decent day, especially if you're further south and southeast, with high temperatures in London of 17 and also in Southampton. Up towards Scotland, still looking okay in some areas, particularly further south, your better chances, 14 degrees the high, and Ireland it's probably going to be rather overcast and damp. That's all for tonight's update, and we'll appear again probably on Monday.